How to fix Call of Duty, Warzone 2.0 purchase Modern Warfare 2 to have access error. 1. Ensure your app is fully updated along with its required packs, DLC or add-ons. Note, for PlayStation and Xbox users, you have to get MW2 multiplayer pack installed. 2. Quit and restart Warzone 2.0. 3. Restart your PS/Xbox console or PC. 4. Restart your router and recheck and improve your internet connection. Check MW2 server status. And meanwhile. 5. Create a voice channel and invite your friends later.